Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog, and of course, meron tayong bagong vlog because I asked for an upgrade of one of my credit card. And ang papakita ko sa inyo is today, ito po ang delivery ng courier ng credit card company yan, which is Airspeed. So, if ever you do get a China Bank na credit card and let's say I'm based in Metro Manila, feeling ko naman across naman to talaga ng Pilipinas, ito po ang magde-deliver sa inyo, which is Airspeed. Yes, naka-seal po siya. So like whatever I always say, pag deliveran kayo ng bagong credit card, always make sure na sealed properly siya. Now, what's different here with China Bank is dalawang card siya, di ba? You have one card which is your actual physical credit card. Then, pinapadala kaagad nila yung iyong virtual card which is for online use mo. So, I know that this one is the physical card kasi kahit pinutupin mo siya, mas matigas. Alam mong mas makapal yung credit card niyan because your virtual card will always be the one which is softer. Now, without further ado, buksan na natin siya sabay-sabay. Ito na po siya. Nabuksan-ish ni Jazz to kasi akala ni Jazz daw sa kanya to. Pero it's okay. This is it, diba? I would show it to you in this format, in this way. This is your China Bank credit card. So, ito na po yung ating black envelope ang ginamit nila dito. And I believe this is the China Bank World Destinations because yun po ang request ko. Sabi ko, baka naman yung world ko na credit card, palitan na natin ng World Destinations credit card. Kasi nga sabi ko, yun naman yung mas gusto kong credit card. Gusto ko siya i-try out talaga. And guys, I would be unboxing it before we go to the features. So, ito po ang black envelope ng China Bank, which is black, back, and forth with a gold China Bank logo here. Now, again, titingnan nyo rin, dapat sealed properly po yung credit card mo, which is yung envelope rin, which is naka double-sided tape. So, when you open it, di ba, alam mong talagang kailangan hindi basag yung seal mo dito. Talagang alam mong, okay, dinikit talaga siya para tamper-resistant, tamper-proof po siya. Okay, so sabihin nyo, Jackson, ba yan ang baboy ng pagka-open? Okay lang. At least alam natin na sealed siya. Now, without further ado, ilalabas ko na rin ang mga laman ng ating credit card. Okay. Now, what's inside? First things first, syempre, you definitely have your credit card here. Ito po yung papel mo and all of the features, I mean. And then dito, nakatakip lang siya, will be on the left side, your name and your address. And on the right side will be the card type. So, it's the destinations peso and then principal, which is, alam mong, hindi siya supplementary. The credit card number, credit limit, statement date, and then payment due date, which is 20 days after the statement date. Then, you also have other documents, which is all of the fees here. Diba? Fees chart mo. Pakita ko na rin siya dito para ipablock rin nila yan para sa inyo. Okay? And then, you have also the terms and conditions of your credit card as well. Now, okay, let's go with it. Na-excite ako, guys. Okay. Now, this is your card, diba? You have the China Bank Destinations World, and then you have all of the different items here, which is all of the different perks. Ito po yung card natin here. And then all of the different perks that you have. And then sa likod naman, other features that you might want. So yung mga other features na to, usually, ito yung mga basic features that you already have, di ba? But what's different here din kasi, meron siyang Accor Plus membership. Di ba? So yun yung parang welcome gift niya dito if ever you want to get that credit card or whenever you want to get this credit card. Okay, now let's go on to the perks of this credit card. So the China Bank Destinations World Mastercard, number one, you get air miles, diba? Ang rewards program niya is predominantly air miles talaga. So you get 1 rewards point for every 30 pesos spend. So 1 reward point is equivalent to 1 air mile right away. Now, sino yung mga air mile partner niya? For China Bank Destinations World, you have Mabuhay Miles, you have Cathay Pacific, you have that's Asia Miles, you have your KrisFlyer, Singapore Airlines, you have Qatar Privilege Club, which is Avios points, you have Falcon Flyer nila, Falcon Flyer, which is Gulf Air, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right? Alam ko Gulf Air. Tama. Gulf Air siya. And then you have Garuda Miles, which is Indonesia Garuda. And then you have Asia Miles or Air Asia Rewards points or Air A Rewards na program nila. So yun po yung mga airline partner niya. To be honest, one of the more maraming partners rin yung si China Bank dito. So you have a lot of different options where you can convert it. Tapos, you also have your low foreign transaction fee, which is as low as 1.7%. One of the lowest out there. Very similar siya kay East West Bank as well. Then yung welcome gift mo that you can get, di ba? It's a free complimentary Accor Plus Explore membership valid for 1 year basta ma-meet mo yung 5,000 pesos spend within 60 days from your card delivery date. Then, may comprehensive travel insurance ka of 20 million pesos or up to 20 million pesos. Then, nandito pa rin yung MasterCard Travel and Lifestyle Rewards. And you also have airport lounge membership. So, it's MasterCard Travel Pass but wala siyang libre. So, every time you want to access, you will have to pay $32. So, yun lang yan. Wala siyang mga free lounge access. Wala rin siyang local lounge access po. Now, at least, ano ba yung kagandahan dito? Ako, to be honest, if ever you want to use it in the Philippines, 30 peso for 1 mile, di ba, it's really good. Kasi di ba 30 pesos spend mo, kahit almost anywhere, you earn your miles. It's very similar to your Metro Bank Travel Visa Signature card nila, di ba? But what's good about here, that's why we're gonna try it out, yung 1.7 niya kasi, China Bank uses the MasterCard Forex rate. So, it doesn't use the bank forex rate. So, let's compare it. Baka mas maganda pa yung kinalabasan ng forex rate nito. It will be very similar to your East-West na KrisFlyer World MasterCard din. Diba? So, yes, titingnan natin siya. And without further ado, ilalabas ko na. Tatanggalin ko na yung credit card ko. Ito po na siya. China Bank World Destinations, di ba? China Bank Destinations World. Gusto ko lagi ko nababaliktad siya. Sa likod, you have your signature portion, you have the card number, and then you have the member since, and then valid through date, and then your name here. So, ganun po siya. And then to activate it, very simple. All you have to do, kukunin ko na rin po to, yung phone ko, ipapablur na rin natin yung mga other details. Let us do a screen recording as well. Okay? And then, let us now activate the card. So, you will send the message to 2256577 and then, ang tatype mo is card act space, the last 8 digits of your credit card. Gusto ko parang tupi itong card ko. Ako ata nagtupi ko kasi, ayan. Pero okay lang yan. Gagana pa rin yan, guys. So, last 8 digit of your credit card and then, date of birth, a year of birth, space year of birth, and then send it right away. Ay. Ito siya. Okay? So now it's sending that message. Papakita ko ulit kung paano i-activate. Ito po ang instructions for activation. Okay? That's it. Diba? Nakapause yan. So, iintayin na natin kung mag-activate or mag-confirm na mag-activate siya. And then, of course, what you have to do is definitely, get your credit card. Ballpen, get your credit card and then sign as well. Ayan, authorized signature, not valid unless signed. That's why I always say sign your credit card. Are there times na hindi ko nasa-sign yung credit card ko? Yes, for sure. Pero guys, i-make sure nyo na dapat sinasign nyo talaga yan. Perfect na siya, guys. So my card has now been activated. Diba? And then may note pa rin dito na if you did not activate it, please call. O, diba? So, perfect. Now, I will also include the annual fees niya. Annual fees for principal is 6,000 pesos. So, waived yan for the first year. Ito yung sinasabi natin transaction fee dito, diba? 1.70% foreign transaction fee, which is comprised of MasterCard assessment fee and foreign currency conversion fee. O, diba? So, in fairness, nandiyan na siya. I will not go through all the other details here, pero, I will be hoping na I will be using it and then syempre ipapawave na natin yung credit card natin. So, just a quick backgrounder on why I love this card if ever man, or why I got it. Now, I do love air miles. Diba? Lagi ko sinasabi why a lot of you will be asking, Jax, ano mas gusto mo? Air miles ba? Or let's say, ano ba yung mga points mo ba? Cashback? I personally love air miles because I like to use air miles to fly for free. So, one way of earning great air miles definitely will be using a credit card that is geared towards earning your air miles. Like this one, low siya, low forex pa siya, di ba? And low spend to miles ratio, 30 pesos, one of the better out there. And even local spend mo. Usually, mataas kasi yung spend locally when you use your credit card to earn your air miles. But for these type of cards, maganda siya. 30 pesos to, very similar to the Metro Bank Visa, 30 pesos din siya. If ever we're going to use the East West na Kris Flyer, di ba? Pag local spend mo, it goes as high as 40 plus pesos, 70 plus pesos, 88 plus pesos. So, di ba, mas ginagamit ko, alam kong local ako, nagbayad ako ng mga bills ko, ganyan. Magbayad ako ng Meralco, or nagbayad ako, let's say, ng travel tax ko. Ito yung mga ginagamit ko mga credit cards, di ba? So, this is one thing that I want to share with you. Yes, wala siyang may airport lounge access and all, but, di ba, okay ang foreign transaction fee, at saka when you travel abroad, and charge it to your card, and of course, to earn your miles locally. Then. And if ever it's new, definitely, why not get the Accor membership? Just to go through it, the Accor Plus membership mo, di ba, Accor, kasi bibigyan ka ng Accor Plus Explorer membership, it's worth 10,300 pesos in the Accor website right now. And then, meron siyang bonus 3,000 reward points, one stay plus complimentary night, exclusive dining deals as well. Then, if ever you do get your Accor Plus member benefits, nandito rin yung 10% off sa public room, early access to promotions, more escapes, up to 50% off your dining. Kung naalala niya dati, yung mga Sofitel na bookings, di ba? Yung parang kakain kayo ng buffet for 250 off. Ito po yon. Ito siya. Ito yung mga ganito talaga yung mga perks niya talaga. So, if it's 5,000 pesos, not that bad. I mean, go na yan. Push nyo na yan. Kasi 5,000 pesos lang naman, di ba? Na spend requirement, then you get that perk. Pwede na. But again, basta budget yung 5,000 pesos mo yan. Kasi kung hindi budgeted, huwag nyong gagamitin or huwag nyong gagawin yan. O, di ba? So, yon, that is the China Bank Destinations World. I hope you enjoyed this video, and maybe if it's the right card for you, why not, di ba? Tingnan nyo. And of course, I'll see you on the next vlog.